Alright, so the very first thing is to create an account. So if this is your first time, you're gonna click not yet registered, and it is gonna ask you to submit this register for it. So I'm gonna put some values here. So what happens is, once you register, it sends an email to you, and that will have the link, and from there you are gonna verify your account and do the password active creation. Okay, so I have logged in. So basically we get a link in the email that we have to click, and we come here, and then from here we can create a password, and now it's good. So we can click on go back to login. So I'm gonna once you log in, this is what you see, where it's